Hey everyone, well, listen, I am passionate about finding the best of the best in all of Orange County, of course. And today I'm with Dr. Lisa with Wellness Trust. Now listen, Lisa, I know you're a chiropractor. I'm a realtor. Let's call it like it is. There's a bazillion realtors and a lot of chiropractors. But there's something really special about Dr. Lisa and her practice, and here's what it is. Not only is she one of the best chiropractors, but she focuses on longevity. Now, a lot of people are drawn to that, but what does that mean here as a chiropractor in your office, Dr. Lisa?
So thank you for asking me that. It's a really great question. So longevity stems from having good posture. So posture correction is the foundation of our chiropractic program. So we're one of 1% of the chiropractors in the world that do this technique. Think of us more as spinal rehabilitation.
Wow.
To say that we're just a chiropractic office really undermines what we do here.
Okay.
Because it's so unique and so different.
So you had to get a lot of training or education for that, I'm thinking?
Yes.
Wow.
Yes. So 300 hours post-graduation, and then I've had the office for 6.5 years.
Wow.
And so there's a lot of patients, a lot of case studies that we've had. So the amazing thing is that we're able to show before and after x-rays, so you can really see your spine healing.
Now, how does posture lead to longevity in layman's terms?
In layman's terms. So your nervous system is the foundation of everything. If your nervous system isn't functioning at 100%, that means you're aging faster on the inside than you are on the outside.
Wow.
So by having good biomechanics means that you're going to be standing up straight and playing tennis until you're 100 years old.
Wow.
Versus hunched over like your grandmother with a walker and then compressing your nerves. So the goal is to have full optimal nervous system function so that you can age smarter and age well.
Wow, so it's not the, what do you call it, the crack and something?
We're not a whack and crack.
Whack and crack. Now
No.
you also have an arm for, what's the other arm of your
For aesthetics.
Yes, tell us about that.
So we do have a med spa component as well, and we're actually getting into peptides and regenerative medicine.
Wow.
So we're really trying to go with the latest research and innovation. Most of our aesthetic treatments are non-invasive or minimally invasive.
Nice.
And the goal is to help, you want to feel good on the outside as well on the inside. Just like with posture correction,
right.
If you're standing up with better posture, you're going to look better as well. So we really want to have beauty from the inside out.
I love that. Well, obviously we've all had the grandma who's hunched over.
Yes.
And I'm trying to be aware of standing up straight, but that doesn't mean I'm doing everything right.
Right.
So I encourage you to come in and see Dr. Lisa, because listen, what we don't know, we don't know.
Right.
But with the tools you've given, even if someone doesn't feel like they have an issue, can they come in for prevention too? Dr. Lisa?
Absolutely. We're seeing that more and more.
Okay,
Yeah.
awesome. Well, how do people get a hold of you?
So wellnesschoice.com is you can conveniently book on our website. Otherwise, our number is 949-387-1333.
And look at her, she's beautiful and she stands up straight and the proof's in the pudding. So anyway,
Thank you.
give Dr. Lisa a call.
Thank you.